corn cake. Steamed corn cake. Binaki in English. Ay. Binaki in Bisaya. But corn cake, steamed corn cake in English. So who wants to who likes to eat steamed corn cake? Lamig ka guys. With coffee daw. Steamed corn cake, pwede parisan o coffee. O, Bisaya ka guys, no? Filipinong. Ano? The cup has spoon. Oh. Rice steamed corn cake is good for coffee, for hot choco. It's a Filipino delicacy. Rice corn cake. Or binaki in Bisaya term. So, ita binaki guys.